Hey, this is Zach with Savage Traveling coming to you from Da Noi, Thailand. The ice cream man just came by out here in front of the house in the village, and we are going to go check him out. This only happens every once in a while, but when it does, we try to take part. Oh, what do we got, dear?
Oh, no, อันนึง อันนี้ตักที่หลังของยายจ้ะ What you need? 10 บาท 20 บาท 20 บาท 30 20 บาท Cat bread.
Let's get. I want a big one.
What? Did you have enough money ไหม
Well, I had to get change.
เอาอันนี้อันนึงจ้ะ
What do we got here?
What you need?
What's that?
Buffalo. No. The มีอันใดนะจ๊ะ
มีกะทิมะนาวสตรอเบอรี่ชาเขียว
They have
วานิลา
coconut vanilla.
Vanilla.
Vanilla จ้ะ อัน30เอา vanilla.
ข้าวเหนียวไหมครับ
Do you need sticky rice? Check first.
No.
Sticky rice with
No, thank you.
coconut milk, dear.
No, not right now. Just ice cream.
Really nice and sweet.
We'll get one then, and we'll try, and we'll have it.
Huh?
Get one and we'll have it.
No, he gonna put the first.
Oh no, then not with the ice cream. No.
ยายเอารถอย่างยายของยายเอาวันนี้ล่ะอันต้องเอาอันใดดีวะเอาผสมได้ปะจ๊ะ
Hello.
ต้องเอาอัน20 บาทนี่เอาอันวันนี้ล่ะก็สตรอเบอรี่
Yeah, it's a really nice day out here. It rained this morning, and for like an hour, but now you can't beat it. I'd still, if I was going to be out here too much longer, I'd put sleeves on. You don't have enough? Oh, you have enough. Okay.
60 บาท
Like I said, I only have
I have to charge my pocket again นะ
cup. Yeah. We'll go to the market later and get change. Oh shoot! Watch out. Is that a kite bow? Is that a kite bow?
Yep.
Kite bow. They'll like hang them on a stick when it's windy out, and it sounds all spooky. It's pretty cool.
ใช่หรอของเราเดี๋ยวโอ้สิ้นเลย
Okay. What do you want here?
Honey,
You need to taste?
Can I have taste?
Yes, of course.
Half.
Yeah, half whatever. You get all of it anyways, dude. Yeah. It's a beautiful day out here. And the temperature is okay. Like, I don't know what it is. Probably 80, 82, maybe 80. That's probably 85 or so. Yeah. Okay.
I have peanuts.
Oh, nice. Let's look at it. Let me see it. Oh, yeah. Nice. She's always doing funny stuff. Vanilla with a little bit of chocolate. A little bit of chocolate on top.
Sun.
Yeah, that's okay. But anyways, we're going to the Tha Phra market later, and we're gonna and we're gonna take you guys along, and I'll catch back up with you then. And if it's before dark, we'll see a little bit along the way. Okay?
Okay. Young people get the bigger. Old people get only nut because she cannot eat it.
Oh well, you know, she probably don't need that much dairy anyway. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. It's the second decent burst of rain today. We might get one more after this, but we're going to take off to the market as soon as it's done. It don't look like it's going to go. There's just a few little, bursts going by. So hopefully in the next hour or so we can scoot on over to Tha Phra and check out the Friday night market. What do you need? This? Yeah. Okay guys, we're heading to Tha Phra Market. We got a little break in the rain, so we're gonna go for it. Guys driving, and we'll see a little bit along the way, okay? Ready, dear? Okay. Umbrella's probably a smart move. It has been raining all day. All right.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah, ready, let's go. Hello, Lupe. Yeah, a little bit. Here's our market up here on the right. A little bit of rice hiding under those tarps there. Our big market's on Sunday, and we'll do that this week as long as it's not pouring rain. Sunday market fills out all the way to the end down here. It's cool. I pick up clothes there every once in a while, or get a watermelon shake. We'll have to see what's on offer this week.
What do you need from market here?
I'm gonna get some sausage. Well, just one though. Other than that, just come out and get out of the house, you know.
And what do you want to have for dinner?
Fried moo,
Okay.
kale. What do you call it?
Kana.
One more time.
Kana.
Kana. Fried moo with kale, garlic, and a little bit of chili. Kana.
Kana.
Kana. Thai word lesson of the day. This is Tha Phra. It's kind of in between. If you take the highway out of Khon Kaen towards us, you could go past Tha Phra. Right? Maybe I'll show it on the map here somewhere just to give you an idea. Yeah, Tha Phra Market, guys. Every Friday evening. Better if it's not raining. I state the obvious. You need anything else up them, Goon?
Don't know, look.
All right. $100. What do you want to look at? Oh, we got a Ferris wheel tonight. Must be a little more going on than the just regular Friday night. Or like, what night's the other one? I forget.
Huh?
What night's the other Tha Phra Market?
Monday.
Monday. The Monday market, they usually have a big blow up slide like that, but not usually carnival rides, so I don't know what the significance is or what the celebration is. Sausage Girl's usually down there, so we'll get down there here in a little bit. Yeah, it's a big market tonight. It's usually not this big. Well, at least I haven't been here since July, so I don't really know what's going on. Usually a lot smaller in my experience, though. Oh, here's seafood here. Oh, those are huge. What do you think?
Yeah, we walk first. Walk first.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Well, when we do decide to buy them, we can do that to break that 1,000 baht. Oh, here's more. She's real picky on her shrimp, so like she knows what she's looking for, and she don't mess around with her goon. Ooh, grapes look good.
You want some?
Maybe before we leave, yeah. Okay. Yeah, we had to get, it was really loud back there between the little booths doing raffles and then the guy singing karaoke or whatever he does. I think we're getting some oranges.
Yeah.
Okay.
For grandma.
For grandma. 4 kilo for 100 baht.
เอา2 โลสิได้ป่ะจ๊ะ
Watermelon. The big old pear apple thing. I think they're talking about me. We got 2 kilo of oranges for Hasset baht, 50 baht, so $1.75. You know, grandma likes them. We always try to take care of her. Oh, yeah. I don't see anything. I don't see anything like I need.
No, they have only cake.
Yeah, just cases and stuff. Looking for a new monopod, which we might have to order it off Lazada or Shopee.
From TikTok shop.
Or TikTok shop. I think it all comes from the same place. I need a tripod for my G7X. I want to do some things with that, and then a monopod for this, because if you saw what I'm using to hold this camera with, it's pretty sad. Oh, let me hop over here, because I haven't got any of this. I already filmed all that back there. Yeah. Oh, that's good looking moving. The stuff I had this morning was great. Can you get more of that in the morning? If I don't wake up in time. I got some birds over there. Oh, these sausages. I lost her. Oh yeah, I forgot. That's probably the reason why she wanted to come over here, so we could get goon. I just wanted some sausage. Yeah, they are busy. Busy at this little stall tonight. Let's spy on guy here. Let me see what you got here. Hard to see in there, but fresh farm raised shrimp. Goon. How much?
240.
1 kilo?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's go back here and get a sausage. Let's go back here. Yeah, these are some of the best sausages I found up here. They're usually right back here. We'll see. Oh yeah, they're right there. What kind of fish are these?
Huh?
Do you remember what kind of fish these are?
What?
What do you call them?
This one?
Yeah.
Pa song, pa two.
Pa song, pa two. 2 fish in a box. That's what they're called.
250 บาทเนี่ย
อะไรนะฮะครับ250
โอ้เอาไหนเป็นปลาทูมันทั้งคู่ได้ถูกป่ะจ๊ะ
แม่นครับของมันครับไปว่าค่ะแม่มาหาแม่ค่าแม่
15 baht a piece.
หาพ่อค้ามาได้กิน
I just need one. Yeah, I'm gonna eat dinner here in a little bit. Get 2 if your mom wants one.
I ordered 3.
Okay.
I need 1.
Okay. We're gonna get 3 sticks of sausage. It's fire. I've tried a lot of sausage up here, and these guys have. It's good. It's good, right?
รอบนี้มามีกล้องมาด้วยหานั่งเห็ดได้มาอยู่โดนหลายเดือน
Yeah. Watch out for that. It hurts. Okay, hey dear, how much do you think we spent tonight? You know?
Almost 400 baht.
Okay, for
Food and fast food. 300 already. 350, 400.
so around 400 baht, so about 12 bucks for a bunch of shrimp, bunch of oranges, 4 little smoked fish or whatever they are. I don't know if they're smoked or how they're cooked, but they're cooked. Aren't they cooked already?
What?
The fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then 3 sticks of Isaan sausage. So like 400 baht for all this. Fair game. Good night at the market, guys. We're gonna head home. I'm gonna in this video as it's getting dark, and this guy bugging me, man. Let me go over here. Yeah, since he's loud and it's getting dark and this GoPro is horrible in the dark, I'm going to sign off here, guys. This is Zach and Guy from the Tha Phra market. It's Friday. Sunday is our big market, so we're going to do that too, and I will catch up with you guys then. If you haven't, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. It's free, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.